use expanded notation to find the sum 178 plus 53. So 178 plus 53. I'm going to break this into down by place value. So I have 100, 7 tens, and 8 ones. And I'm going to add to that 5 tens and 3 ones. And then I'm going to combine like terms. Okay, so I only have 100. Okay, but I'm going to combine my tens. I've got 7 tens plus 5 tens. So that makes 12 tens total. So I'm going to say plus 12 tens. And then how many ones? I have 8 ones plus 3 ones. So that's 11 ones. And now I'll do some regrouping. Okay, every 10 ones can make another 10, and every 10 tens can make another 100. So I'm just going to work from right to left. I'm going to do my ones first. I'm going to take 10 of these ones and move them over here to the tens. So I've got 100. I'm going to have 13 tens now because I'm moving 10 of those ones, and I have 1 left over. And now I'm going to look at these. I've got 13 tens. 10 tens makes 100. So I'm going to take 10 of these tens, regroup them into a 100. So now I'm going to have 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1, which is 231.